In this video, let's take a look at the way that you refresh your Microsoft Teams. If you're having any glitches or any issues on your Teams platform, the way that you can easily fix it is by simply refreshing it. So what you can simply do is, first of all, close out this application, which is currently open, and make sure you also remove it from this section by clicking on this arrow if you're using a Windows device, and make sure that you clear out or quit the Teams from this section. As soon as you do that, this will immediately refresh your Microsoft Teams. Now, whenever you open up Teams again, you should be able to fix any sort of glitches that you might be having. Now, apart from this, what you can also do is make sure to look for any new updates available for Microsoft Teams. So what you can do is just head over to the settings by clicking on the three-dotted line, click on settings, and if you click on the About Teams option, if you do see new updates available, you'll be able to see it right here. So if you have any new updates available, make sure you update this application to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.